Get on the ground!
What is your location?
Welcome to another brand new episode of Cop Cam Chronicles, where we dive into the craziest police videos you will ever see. We hope our videos can educate everyone enough and show you folks what not to do when encountering police. For today's video, we have these suspects who tried to flee but were not fast enough for these officers. Who would have thought you could turn your criminal actions into a time to exercise and get some extra cardio in? These suspects appear to think so. They love to work on their cardio, but not until police caught up with them. Just like most of the other videos in our channel, this one also contains sensitive scenes that might be disturbing to some audiences, so viewer discretion is advised. Let's check it out. For the new ones out there, this video contains violence and sensitive materials that might be disturbing for some audiences. Viewer discretion is advised. In this surveillance footage, we can see IMOESIRI and the victim at close range. A few moments later, he pointed the gun at the victim and shoots it. The shootout continues on as the victim continues hiding behind his car. Keep in mind that we have to mute the audio for privacy purposes. We can see here that an officer starts to approach while the shootout continues. As the police officer approaches, IMOESIRI flees from the scene.
Now! Stop! You're gonna get shot!
Let's see how the chase continues on through the officer's body cam.
Black! Blue over blue, 417! Drop the gun! Drop the gun now! Get on the ground!
The officer fires shots towards IMOESIRI as he was unable to outrun the bullets.
Hands out in front of you now! Hands out in front of you now!
IMOESIRI appears to have been hit and falls behind an abandoned fridge on the sidewalk. The officer continues to watch him just in case he tries to pull any funny business.
52 5840 orange, facing eastbound. He's fronting himself out. Hey! Hands out in front of you now! He shot at you? Hey, pull over for me. Please, please.
More officers arrived on scene at this point.
52. The victim that he shot at was driving northbound in a black Kia.
I copy. He shot northbound at a black Kia. What's your updated location?
5840 orange. And he tossed the 417 right behind me.
Here's another angle from the officer that just arrived.
Don't worry about that. Don't look at them. Look at me. That's fine. Just keep looking at me. That's fine. Keep looking at me, okay? I'll let you know what's going to happen.
Hey, we're moving up, all right? Hey, we're moving up.
The officer assured IMOESIRI that it's going to be okay as long as he stays down.
Bring both your hands behind your back for me. Yes, sir.
At last, the officers are now able to handcuff him. Good thing he didn't run away again and just stayed put on the ground. For our second video, St. Louis Metropolitan Police officers were trying to pull over 32-year-old DARNE Ricks in relation to an armed robbery investigation. What happens next will shock you. In this dashcam footage, we can see the officer is trying to keep up the pace during this chase. Let's see how it goes.
You're right. Fuck, alright. Tell me he just crashed.
Are they still behind it?
Yeah.
How far ahead of them are they?
The suspect led the officer into a tight area that is hard to navigate, but the officer continued to push through.
Minnesota, where I Tell him his car's dying. eastbound.
We're eastbound right now on Chippewa.
Sector 12, copy.
Tell him we're coming up to Pennsylvania. His car's dying.
With the robbery.
We're at Pennsylvania now.
Tell him the car's dying.
North
He's
on
gonna run.
Pennsylvania. Car's going about 5 miles per hour. He's on the bail.
Identify that vehicle is now northbound on Pennsylvania from Chippewa, 1803.
Now we're eastbound behind the 2900 block of Chippewa.
He's open doored.
The suspect tried to open his car door until... That really shocked him. Shots were fired, and the suspect continues to escape, but now on foot. Let's see how it happened through this body cam footage.
North on Nebraska.
Oh shit!
On Nebraska, police squad.
2-1, shots fired. He's still running.
The suspect fled the scene, and the officer continued to chase him on foot.
Great hands. 2-1, he's running east through the yards here by Winnebago, Pennsylvania.
While the officer continues to chase the suspect, he gives extra details to his fellow comrades of their current situation.
Our officer need to make Winnebago in Pennsylvania at 1804.
2-1, I no longer have eyes. We lost eyes. I got it. Get on the ground right now. 2-1, I got him in custody. Show me your fucking hands right now.
Advisor 1, start EMS. Get cars up there and get what 100 block he's on.
After a while, the officer finally catches up with the suspect and puts him in handcuffs.
500, the suspect's closing guard, blue jacket, blue black jacket, blue black jacket.
2-1 mini, I got him in custody. I'm in the eastern alley of the 3700 block of Nebraska.
Sir, one in custody, East Alley, 3700 block of Nebraska. 320 Mini, what is your location?
2-1 mini, I'm in the car. We're
Why
going to be
fucking
heading up
shooting at
bars.
us?
If you could set up traffic, go right. We're going to go.
Another one ran?
To 40, then 40 to Kings Highway to Barn.
At this point, the officer is waiting for his fellow officers to arrive. That chase was definitely a long one.
Highway 2 Barnes at 1805.
2-9, I'm setting up an arsenal north, ran the block route.
Sorry, which brand is cars at Arsenal Green?
29.
The 2, DTM.
And there it is. Time to put him in the police car.
Only one ran through the car.
All the exits.
Yeah, this is the guy. Did the line get shot?
Yeah, line got shot.
Sending body worn down in 15 seconds. Body worn down canceled.
For more police interaction videos, subscribe to the channel to stay updated on all of our upcoming videos. Don't forget to ring that bell icon too and get notified as well. See you around next time here at Cop Cam Chronicles.